Using Sprout, you can create interactive and high-end websites and pages within minutes. In this example, we're going to look at the offerings page. Now that you are able to edit your offerings page, you can actually add more of an interactive layout so your clients can really easily pick the specific offerings that they want to sign up to. To start, in this example, we're looking at the offerings. So we'll see that there are a few types of offerings. We have meditations, we have yoga, and we also have some that are appointment-based and some that are scheduled onto our usual weekly schedule. So heading back to our pages and editing our offerings page, automatically, we have all of the offerings listed here, but I'd like to create this interactive toggle that will change between meditation and between yoga classes or offerings as well. So to do this, click on the section that you want to edit, and then if you're using Sprout, click on that little Sprout icon. Here you can tell your prompt to Sprout. So in this example, I'm asking it to create a toggle to display either the meditation type or the yoga types of offerings. Now Sprout is working on creating this for me. Now it has been created. You'll notice that I can see all the meditation offering here. And then if I click over to yoga, let me preview this. So I have all the meditation types here, and then I can toggle over to all the yoga classes. Now I might want to change it over and start with the yoga and then have the meditation. And I also noticed that one of the meditations is missing. So now I asked it to correct it, start with the yoga and then the meditation. And then I'm also asking it to list the other meditation offering as well. Sprout has done what I requested, and it also explained what it has done just to make sure that they show up. So I can see the yoga first, and if I go to the preview again, I can play with that toggle, and I see both the sound bath and the meditation as well, displayed easily, and it's really interactive as well. If you're happy with this, make sure you save it. I personally also like to check if it works on mobile and then also on a tablet. You can do this with any type of setup. You could list memberships or packages similarly as well, or maybe different locations if you run sessions in different locations, but that way you would draw in information from schedule rather than from your offerings. And also any other aspects of your website where you want to create this toggle to display a few things. The more information you have within each package, offering, membership, or even store item, the easier it is for Sprout to build your site for you. And now if I visit the offerings page, right away, I'll see these cards and I can swap between the two options really easily. And then also book right away that session as usual.